Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial video. Today I want to show you guys how DIY a minion pen holder. To make a minion pen holder, you need some materials of course, and the material you can find around you guys. So the first material is butter plastic, fabric, yellow, blue, and then black fabric, scissors, glue, fake glasses and two circles, black marker, and also I use a fake eye. Okay, that's all the material. If you want to know it, let's start it. Okay, the first you need to do is cut the plastic bottle. You cut like this. After that, take a yellow fabric and put your water bottle on it. You need to cut the yellow fabric size of the After that, you need to glue it. You glue it. After it's done, take your blue fabric and put your plastic bottle on it. And draw it half of the bottle plastic. Cut it. You need cut like this. And you glue in the bottle. Like this. And then you need cut two strips in blue fabric. Two strips. And then you need to glue in the bottle. And you need to draw it. You need to draw it like this. Draw it. And after it's done, you make the goggle. To make the goggle, you need cut a black fabric, cut a little strip. You need cut like this, and take fake glasses, and then you need to glue this in the bottle. You glue it, and then you need glue in little strip in this bottle plastic. You need glue like this. After it's done, you need take a fake eye and glue this in this bottle. Then you make the lips using black marker. Okay, your minion pen holder is done. Ta-da! After it's done, you can put all of your pen, board marker in the pen holder like this. Okay. Okay guys, that's all the tutorial video for today. Hopefully you can inspire to make DIY from the things around you. And don't forget like and leave your comment and also subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.